Today we're continuing our tour of the south of Spain and we just arrived in Ronda.
Ronda is famous for its 3 bridges that connect the old town to the new town.
We're starting off the tour of Ronda with the Tajo de Ronda, which I believe is like a lookout over the, like a canyon. And I think it's right there. Oh yeah, there's definitely a canyon there.
Well, I didn't realize it was that deep. This place, I didn't think it was situated like this. I was thinking we were way up in the mountains of some sort, and this was going to be just a different setup.
Well, it's hard to picture when you've never been here, but there's a restaurant. It's probably too far to see, but there's a restaurant that's like right on the cliff's edge.
Yeah. So this is the...
Oh, this is crazy. Look how high it is. And there's a path below.
This is actually the new bridge, even though it's over 230 years old. It said it's about 120 meters tall, and it took over 40 years to make.
Before we go down into the canyon, we actually found the 3rd bridge.
They're all like obviously in a row of each other.
Yes.
We don't know how we'll get down there. We're high above it right now, but
yeah,
I'm sure we can figure something out. But we're gonna head up that way. So from actually up here, you can go down into the canyon, and there's a trail that we're gonna hopefully find, then get to the bottom of the new bridge. So we just came out of a random alleyway, and then this guy just showed up.
we found the hike, although it's not much of a hike, it's more of a paved path, and it kind of winds down all the way to a lookout, and then I think we'll be able to get a really good shot of the bridge.
Over there. The bridge is around the corner. You can't really quite see it though.
So it's €5 each to keep going down the hike. It's pretty hot, so I think we're gonna skip it and go back up.
So that totals.
But you can keep going all the way, but it's unknown how far it actually is from here.
Can you?
I think so.
Oh.
There's also a viewpoint way up there.
Yeah, there's tons of viewpoints. There's really no need to be paying for a viewpoint. Spain is famous for its tapas, which are little bite-sized portion. This place here is famous for its tapas. I think they have 80 different kinds for 80 cents each, and it's called Lechiguita, or something like it. So we're waiting in line right now. We're pretty lucky. We got a spot outside right on the terrace, so we're not crammed in with everybody else. So this is the entrance to the restaurant.
Packed in there.
Oh yeah, there's like a continuous lineup, of people going in.
So we got a little good spot across here.
Yeah, you have to fill out what you want and how many of each you want. It's all in Spanish, so I'm pulling out my Spanish from Duolingo, and then you go give it and.
First thing of lettuce and a sauce.
Yeah, we didn't know what we were ordering. We obviously ordered a big chunk of lettuce.
It's covered in like a cream sauce, it looks like, though.
This is so funny.
All right.
There you go. I think we have everything.
Good little spread here.
Yeah.
Got some more lettuce, olives, cheese, some guacamole and chips.
Some type of sandwich, potato sandwich, cheese.
Came to 20 euros. It was packed in there though.
Oh yeah?
But like a good little mix of food. It was random, there was a few things, but delicious. And it was €1.20, not 80
Yeah.
per tapas.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to make our way to the Bullring. It's kind of in the center of, I guess,
Yeah.
the centro part. So we're going to go see if we can get a good view in it.
Yeah, and I don't know if you can see behind us,
Yeah, it's an amazing
but like
building.
every street is like that cobblestone street, like that narrow. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
We made it to the Bullring, which is right over there. It's closed, unfortunately, so we're going to try and see if we can get the drone up and get a view from up there.
So right now we're trying to find Las Campanas. It's a confiteria that sells these sweets that are famous to Ronda.
Just 2 minutes from the Bullring, there's a big plaza here that opens up, and then Las Campanas is right there. So what we're looking for is a sweet. It's called Yamas Del Tajo, and it's made from egg yolk and sugar. And it was invented apparently by a nun that lived here in a monastery in Ronda. Scratch that. Great place for coffee. We're looking at the menu, we're like, they don't even have it. It's because it's right here across. So it's called Yamas Del Tajo. Let's
We were in the right spot, but we got
Wrong
excited we could
place.
get it all in one spot.
So we'll try this again. We got a box. You can only buy them by the box. €7 for the box. This, and obviously we got more stuff just because we're pigs. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, it's like super, super soft. Like melts in your mouth. Like a cube of sugar. That's all I can describe it.
Well, it's
It's
egg yolk and sugar.
Yeah, it's very sweet. Very, very sweet.
We're just currently on Calle Espinal, which is like the very busy walking street in the downtown. We're just heading to get a coffee at La Sastreria. Milan likes to dish out sass all the time, so the Sastreria, she can get a nice warm cup of sass to give to me later. I'm sure she's dying too, so she's hot, she's tired and hot, so it's like a perfect spot for her to go to. We finally got our coffee and tea. Luckily, this street is nice and shady because they've draped this shade creator the whole length of the street, which really cools it down. So it's quite enjoyable on here.
Yeah, this is a well-deserved break. We've walked so much. Thankfully, the city is very compact, so it's easy to walk everywhere. We ditched a car on a side street, kind of like on the outside of the town, so it was free, and then we just walked everywhere. That's it for our day in Ronda.
Thanks for watching.